Greetings. This is Rajesh Salian here from Service Journal. And it's been a long time that we are having a lot of conversations with various dignitaries for across from all the organizations who have been doing associated with charity. And today I am in conversation with Lion Manjit Chandu, who is the chairperson for Lions Quest in our Lions District 3331A3. Lions Quest started way back in 1975, and Lions International first supported the program in 1984. And 18 years ago, on this very day, that is today, okay, which is the 30th of September, LCIF formally took ownership of the program. So we thought this is an ideal day for a conversation to explore and understand the Lions Quest with Lions Manjit Chandu, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. So I would say the first thing I would just like to say, can you, a very simple question. What is Lions Quest?
Lions Quest is an international program which deals with the social emotional learning with the kids in school. It helps children to grow in a positive direction that increases the academic performances.
Oh, great. Okay, so can you tell us more about the program in detail? Like,
Yes, sir. Now, this program the benefits the youth, educators, communities, and the parents. Now, if you want to work hard or better at something, I think you must all join this SEL program and give our students the practice they need to be better people of tomorrow. Now, Lion Quest, there are where they were implemented in schools. There are some decreases, what decreases, there are some points and what increased in their schools. So the decreases points, I may update you that the problem behaviors, the bullying in school suspensions, outgoing suspensions, and the student stress level. And the increases, the attendance, the positive social atmosphere, and the academic performances. And I think Lions Quest we all must promote because they promote social and life success in each and every one of us who are going under this program.
okay, that's a very nice summary of it. So, ma'am, can you tell me, like, what is who is the target audience? Any schools, colleges, age group, demographics? How is it like?
Yeah. There are age group. We have the skills for growing. That is called SAG, the short form. Skills for growing. That is from KG to 5th standard. Then we have the skills for adolescents. That is SFA. That is the short form of it, where we implement from 5th to 8th standard. And we have a other program which is skills for action, which we have not implemented in India right now. So we within I think a year or two, those skills will be also be implemented in our India also. So we'll have to wait for them. And for this, we have the certified teachers who teach the children. So we have a 2-day teachers training program for them, and they are certified for that. And they go to the schools and teach the children. And per week, at least 30 to 40 minutes they need for this program. And it is not 1 year program, ma'am, sir. It's a 3 years continuous program. So wherever we implement, we have to see that it continues for 3 years. So after the 3 years, the child who has been in the Lions Quest, he is going to be a full-fledged. He'll be able to take his decisions on his own, and he will be able to change, adjust to the change and challenges in his life, and he'll lead a very successful and happy life. So I would request all my district clubs of 3231A to come forward for this noble cause, and we can start implementing in as many schools and train our teachers. So I think we may have a better India in the future.
Wow. Okay, so LCIF, that is LCIF is another one foundation, Lions Club International Foundation, and similarly there is the Lions Quest program. So tell us more about this organization and its structure. That is the Lions Quest Foundation.
I think you have updated us before also that Lions Quest was started by Rick Little in 1975. And 1984, the Lions Club International LCIF gave its first grant to the Quest program. And India, in 1991, the Quest program came to India. And in 1993, a new foundation with a trust with 13 trustees in it was formed. And our past international director, Sham Malpani, is the chairman of this foundation. And we have the head office at Ahmedabad in India. And we are District 3231. We are really proud of our district that we have the chairperson, at least from our district, and we should rock. And I being the chairman of this year, I think I'll do a lot. I have a lot of plans for this year.
Nice. So with the schools being shut down during this COVID pandemic, is the program still working?
Yes, sir. The same question was rising in my mind in July when I took the post. So I was thinking it will be very difficult since the schools are closed. I won't get the students. How will we train our teachers? But this situation, I think the digital thing has come out and it is bringing a lot of new ideas in all of our minds. So first I thought we started, the foundation started with the online teachers program, and they had a new program in the starting that was Empowering Mind, Enriching Life. So which I attended the awareness program and I did the training, and I was really motivated with that training that my mind started flowing so well that all the new ideas started flowing. So the first thing I started with the awareness program in our district. So I have conducted at least 3 awareness programs with the school management committees and the principals of the new schools where we are not implemented. And that was in July and first week of August. Then I had the teachers refresher course that was also online, which was organized by the Lions International Foundation. And so I have conducted where 92 teachers had participated, and we had Lion Archana madam for the trainer. Then now I had appeal where the awareness program that we had got a lot of good feedback from the principals and the trustees that when are you going to have online teachers training? We are waiting for that. So we planned out, and I've already completed 4 online teachers program. So I think this is a boon online. So with more ideas, we can work more efficiently on this. And I'm planning 3 my online training programs are on pipeline. And after this, I would also, my plans are that we can have awareness online space with the children since they're already having the lessons online. So at least in 15 days, 1 program I might have with the different schools. So that are my future plans, sir.
Wow, that is very commendable for at least 3 months where we were just thinking that the schools are not operational, and here there is a program which has been running very successfully. So ma'am, can you share some more of the key achievements of Lions Quest this year, and what are your plans also looking at whether it's going to be online, physical? So what are going to be your plans also for the next coming future?
वो है ना, बचपन में गाना हमने गाया करते थे अपना, हम होंगे कामयाब. तो हम होंगे कामयाब. In this mission, I think we all together can make a lot of change in our society, in our country. So I'm planning online classes also, and if physical it allows, we may have 2-3 physical training workshops also, and where we can have lot of activities when the children are with us. Online we cannot, we are doing, but it will be better if we do it physically. We have eye contact and all that, and we can do a lot of activities, and we hope for a better planning this year.
Okay, so I think most of it is very clear. So now it all boils down to the main question: what is the part of the money? So that what are the costs involved in this program, and how much do the clubs actually need to contribute if they want to be part of this program?
It's a very need based, and the foundation has given us a lot of discount in this, because when I'm doing the online classes, we are paying only 400 for the teachers' books. So the cost of one teacher is only 400, and students' book is costing us 25. So I think I request to all my district club at least, and to other districts also, if we come out with this permanent project of a club every year, this will be a grand success for all of us. And each club, suppose they even keep a small fund of 2,500 also. I think that is minimum they can start with. So it's not very high funds also they need. So I think.
Surely. Wow. So I think so. I think for all the clubs which are there over here, 2,500 for 100 students, 25 rupees per book. I think yes, it is not just the cost of the book, but I think it's more of the year and the future that you're molding. So it's not 25, it's the future. I think that's a very commendable one. So we also have some guests over here with us who would like to share some experiences about the Lions Quest. So can we hear some of the experiences? And before that, if we have a video also, that would be great.
Today's youth face new and difficult challenges, both inside and outside of the classroom. Lions Quest, a life skills and youth development program of Lions Clubs International Foundation, empowers students to make positive decisions. By building social-emotional skills, it prepares them for success in the 21st century.
We faced many problems, but through this program we learned how to solve them.
Lions Quest teaches you how to organize together and work as a team.
We are learning that we should step up to take part in every activity.
It has built my confidence.
Now in more than 90 countries and 36 languages, Lions Quest has reached more than 13 million young people and continues to grow with support from LCIF and Lions.
Lions Club International want to focus on youth activities. We want to build up our children.
The world is taking notice and seeing the value of Lions Quest.
Lions Quest fits perfectly in international standards for drug use prevention.
An exciting new partnership with the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime launched a pilot program with Lions Quest in 21 schools in Serbia.
This program really helps us deal with all of the problems concerning adolescents.
Students and parents also see positive changes.
I think this is a good way to gain more self-confidence and learn more about ourselves and others.
I've noticed she's much more open. The fact that we're talking tells me this has had a positive impact on her.
Viewing Lions Quest as a gold standard prevention program, UNODC plans to expand the program into other countries.
It's up to us to bring in proven interventions at this time to save our young people and to save our future.
In the U.S., the Novo Foundation invested a $100,000 grant for Lions Quest to be integrated kindergarten through high school district-wide in Wood County, West Virginia.
Working cooperatively is the way that the world is moving, and the program gives the kids the skills to be able to do those things.
In Wood County, independent analysis showed that Lions Quest was effective at bringing positive changes.
I learned to never give up, to never say, I can't do this.
I learned to say no to drugs.
I learned how to calm down for times that I get angry.
In India, where Lions Quest has been successful for a number of years, the program is expanding. LCIF is leading a coalition of organizations to use Lions Quest to address gender equality.
With this equality that we are trying to bring about, things are going to get much more comfortable for them, and they can be what they want to be and not try and fit into that stereotype that has been created for them by parents, by society.
Lions Quest is launching a new expanded curriculum. Thanks in part to the generous support of a second grant from the Novo Foundation, materials are up to date with the latest in social-emotional learning, character education, bullying prevention, drug awareness, and service learning. Lions Quest is proud of our new growth and proven success, but we must continue to involve more schools, families, and communities in supporting the healthy development of young people. By investing in Lions Quest, children will not only perform better in school, they will have the tools they need to be healthy contributors to society in the future.
trainers who have done the training. So I would like to ask them to give their feedbacks. Mahendra Kindi ji, आप हो तो जरा आप अपना feedback दे सकते हैं, sir?
हॅलो, नमस्ते मॅडम जी. मी आगरवाडी नावाचं आमचं एक गाव आहे सफाळे एरियामध्ये. या ठिकाणी लायन्स क्लब ऑफ सफाळेने लायन मंजितजी चंडोक यांच्या सहकार्याने लायन्स क्वेस्ट ट्रेनिंग सेमिनार अरेंज केलेलं होतं. ह्या परिसरातील सफाळे हा एक ग्रामीण भाग आहे. या ठिकाणी अंदाजे 30 शिक्षकांना आम्ही लायन्स क्वेस्टचं प्रशिक्षण दिलेलं आहे. लायन्स क्वेस्ट मुळे किशोर वयातील मुले आणि त्यांना नैतिकता मूल्य जपण्यासाठी महत्वाचं प्रशिक्षण आहे. हे सिनियर ट्रेनर कोच अर्चना मॅडम यांनी दिलं. अतिशय सोप्या आणि ओघवत्या भाषेमध्ये त्यांनी आमच्याकडील शिक्षकांना ट्रेन केलेलं आहे. या सगळ्या उपक्रमामुळे आपण एक नवीन पिढी तयार करू शकू. मी आता आगरवाडी येथील ग्रामीण विद्या विकास वर्धिनी मंडळ आगरवाडी या शाळेचा उपाध्यक्ष आहे आणि ग्रामीण भागातील मुलांना ह्या क्वेस्टचा म्हणजे एकूणच नैतिक मूल्याबद्दल फारच मोठा उपयोग होणार आहे. हा सगळा उपक्रम ह्या करोनाच्या पार्श्वभूमीवर आपण राबवला आहे याचा मला विशेष आनंद वाटत आहे. कारण करोनामुळे आज शाळा बंद आहेत, मुलांना शिक्षण प्रशिक्षण सगळं बंद आहे. अशा काळामध्ये लायन मंजित कौर चंडोकजी यांनी स्वतः पुढाकार घेऊन शिक्षकांसाठी ऑनलाईन प्रशिक्षण अरेंज केलं. त्याबद्दल त्यांचे खूप खूप आभार. लायन मंजितजींचं डेडिकेशन पाहून आम्हालाही थोडी स्फूर्ती चढली आणि आम्ही सुद्धा ठरवलं की ह्याच्यात कार्यामध्ये आपण सगळ्यांना सहभागी करून घेऊया. अशा रीतीने लायन मंजितजीच्या पुढाकाराने आम्ही 30 शिक्षकांना प्रशिक्षित केलेलं आहे. अर्चना भट मॅडम सिनियर कोच ट्रेनर आहेत. त्यांनी अतिशय चांगलं सगळ्यांना मार्गदर्शन केलं. आमचे सगळे शिक्षक 30च्या 30 शिक्षक इतके खुश झालेले आहेत की त्यांनी काहींनी स्वतः व्हिडिओ पाठवलेले आहेत. उत्स्फूर्तपणे त्यांनी ह्या सगळ्या उपक्रमाबद्दल आपले चांगले अभिप्राय कळवलेले आहेत. मी लायन्स क्लब डिस्ट्रिक्ट 323A3 चे गव्हर्नर शशिकांत मोड साहेब, डिस्ट्रिक्ट वेस्ट चेअरपर्सन लायन मंजितजी कौर चंडोक मॅडम आणि सिनियर कोच ट्रेनर अर्चना मॅडम यांचे फार फार आभार मानतो. धन्यवाद. थँक्यू.
Very good morning and thank you Manjit ma'am for giving me this opportunity to speak in your interview. I'm very much privileged to be speaking over here about Manjit ma'am. She is the Lions Club chairperson this year and we have known her and we have been associated with her for the past 10 years. And she is doing a great job. She is helping our school. Our school is basically located at Andheri West, where students are coming from the slums. And she keeps helping us in many, she does about 4 to 5 projects every year, helping the students to get books or whatever knowledge. She arranges for seminars for teaching the children and all that. And this year, she has done this Lions Quest, which the teachers were benefited because many of us are not acquainted with online teaching. And because of that, Nidhi ma'am, who was training us, she helped us how to get associated with this and how to conduct the online classes on the certain apps which are available to us. So we learned how to create a proper classroom on internet and how to teach them online. And she also gave us some tips on how to change, how to face the normal changes that are occurring during the adolescence age of the students, which we have a great problem in our schools, and how to teach them for a healthy living and different other character traits, how we have to help them to grow and develop properly. The teachers were very much impressed by Nidhi ma'am. She conducted the classes, she gave us the training trips, not only the tips, but she also gave us some demonstrations how to conduct the class, how to make it more interactive than just the teachers speaking all the time as we do in the classes when we are practically working with the students. But online also this would not have happened if how to make the class more interesting was taught to us by Nidhi ma'am. All thanks to Manjit ma'am for giving us this great opportunity of attending the training. 10 of our teachers from Guru Tej Bahadur Public School attended the training, and we are all very much thankful to Nidhi ma'am and Manjit ma'am for doing this great favor for us. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Hemlata ji.
Yeah, ma'am.
So kind of you. Now I would request Ram Shastri ji from Virar School. Sir, आप अपने views रखेंगे हमारे सामने feedback.
सभी को नमस्कार. मैडम, लायंस क्लब की ओर से जो लायंस क्वेस्ट यह प्रशिक्षण आयोजित किया जा रहा है वास्तव में बहुत ही लाभदायक है. मैं सबसे पहले तो लायंस के जितने भी उच्च अधिकारी हैं सबको नमस्ते करता हूं और सबसे ज्यादा जो लायंस क्वेस्ट की डिस्ट्रिक्ट चेयरपर्सन माननीय श्रीमती मंजीत चंडोक मैडम हैं, इनके कार्यशैली और इनकी कर्तव्य निष्ठा, श्रम निष्ठा, इसको मैं सलाम करता हूं, नमस्ते करता हूं. जो इन्होंने इतना अच्छा कार्यक्रम यहाँ पर हम लोगों को दिया है. अभी पिछले दिनों ही गुरुवार को हम लोगों का कार्यक्रम इन्होंने रखा था प्रशिक्षण का. हमारे विद्यालय शास्त्रीय विद्यालय हाई स्कूल विरार, जो विरार में स्लम एरिया में है, वहां पर बहुत से गरीब बच्चे पढ़ने के लिए आते हैं. उनके लिए पिछले 25 वर्षों से हमारे विद्यालय के लिए मैडम कार्यरत हैं और बहुत परिश्रम के साथ हमें हर प्रकार की मदद पहुंचाती हैं. इस बार इन्होंने जो हमारे लिए प्रशिक्षण का आयोजन किया लायंस क्वेस्ट का, ये इतना बढ़िया रहा. हमारे विद्यालय के करीब 22-23 शिक्षकों ने प्रशिक्षण लिया और यह प्रशिक्षण तो वैसे हमेशा के लिए बहुत ही लाभदायक है, लेकिन इस समय कोरोना काल में लॉकडाउन के समय यह प्रशिक्षण तो समझ जाइए बहुत ही अच्छा है. हमारे टीचरों को आपने प्रशिक्षित किया जिससे वे ऑनलाइन बच्चों को पढ़ा सके और बच्चों को कैसे इस शिक्षा से जोड़ना, उनको किस तरह से अच्छी तरह से ज्ञान प्रदान करना, किस प्रकार उनको शिक्षा से जोड़ना, ये सारी चीजें प्रशिक्षण में हमें बताई गई क्रियात्मक रूप से. अभी क्या है, बच्चों को केंद्र में रख करके शिक्षा देना महत्वपूर्ण है. पिछले दिनों जो भी हमारा कार्यक्रम हुआ मैडम की तरफ से, उसमें प्रशिक्षिका आई थी प्रीति झवेरी मैडम. उन्होंने बहुत अच्छी तरह से सारा कार्यक्रम प्रस्तुत किया, उदाहरण देकर, एग्जाम्पल देकर के हमारे सामने रखा. तो आज हमारे लिए ये बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण ट्रेनिंग है और मैं तो यही प्रार्थना करता हूं कि मंजीत मैडम आप चिरायु हो, दीर्घायु हो, आप इसी तरह से सक्षम बनी रहें और कार्य के प्रति समर्पित रहें और हमेशा इसी प्रकार का कार्यक्रम हमारे विद्यालय के लिए या अन्य विद्यालयों के लिए आयोजित करते रहिए, जिससे कि बच्चों को, शिक्षकों को, विद्यालयों को और पूरे समाज को लाभ मिल रहा है आपके इस कार्यक्रम के द्वारा. तो मैं आप सभी को बहुत बहुत प्रणाम करता हूं, नमस्कार करता हूं. मैं शास्त्रीय विद्यालय हाई स्कूल विरार एक ट्रस्टी के रूप में श्री राम व्यास उपाध्याय आप लोगों को बहुत बहुत आभार प्रकट करता हूं और आपको प्रणाम करता हूं. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
Thank you, sir. And he is also the supervisor of Vidar School. And thank you, sir, so much कि आपके टीचर सब लोग ने इतने इन्वॉल्व और इतनी मेहनत आपने की. Thank you, sir. Now I would request अपना Sanjay ji from Bordi to give his feedback. I think you're going to give in Gujarati ना sir? गुजराती में बोलने वाले हो? हाँ sir, आइए.
Okay. नमस्ते एवरीबॉडी. आप सबको मिलके बहुत अच्छा लगा. मैं आई एम संजय राउत. मैं बोरडी थी बोलू छू. बोरडी में हूँ रिटायर टीचर छू ने बोरडी ना जूनियर कॉलेज में बच्चों ने पढ़ावानुं काम करतो हतो. हमणां रिटायर थई गयो पण मैं नाना मोटा क्लासेस लेवुं छू ने स्कूल में पण छोकराओने एडवाइस आपवा जाऊं छू. आ जो कोर्स अमारे अहींया चलायो ने अमारा जो આ લાયન ક્વેસ્ટના ચેરપર્સન છે અહીંયાના આપણા મનજીતજી ચંડોક, તેમનો ઘણો આભારી છું કે તેમને આવી રીતે કોર્સ અમારા અહીંયા ચલાવ્યો ને અમારે લગભગ 28 ટીચરને 28 થી 35 જણ અમે તેમના અંડર ટ્રેન થયા. ટ્રેનર અમારા પ્રીતિ ઝવેરી મેડમ હતા. બહુ સારી રીતે તેમને અમને આ બધું કેવી રીતે ભણાવવાનું, તેના કરતા કેવી રીતે આ છોકરાને સમજવાનું, આ તેમને અમને ઘણી સારી રીતે જણાવ્યું કે તમે આ છોકરાઓમાં આવી રીતે આ બધું જ્ઞાન આપીને તેને બુરી આદત પાસેથી કેવી રીતે તમે બચાવી શકો છો ને તેમના જીવનમાં તેમને કેવી રીતે સક્સેસફુલ કરી શકો છો, આ બાબતમાં ઘણું બધું તેમને સમજાવ્યું ને બધા 6 કે 7 જે ચોપડા છે બુક્સ, તેના બાબતમાં ઘણું બધું જ્ઞાન, તેમાં શું શું છે, કેવી રીતે મૂલ્યો છે, 9 મૂલ્ય બાબત તેમને વેલ્યુઝ બાબત તેમને ઘણું બધું અમને સમજાવ્યું ને તે આપણે છોકરાઓમાં કેવી રીતે ભરી શકીએ, તેમને કરી શકીએ ને તેમને એકદમ સુસંસ્કારી બનાવી શકે. તેમનું કહેવાનું મતલબ આવું હતું કે આપણે આ છોકરાઓમાં આવા રીતે સંસ્કાર જો આપીએ છીએ તો આ છોકરાઓ આગળ વધીને ઘણા બધા સારા માણસ બનશે ને બધા આખા સંસારને સારી રીતે કેવી રીતે સુધારી શકશે. આનો ઘણો લાભ નોટ ઓનલી ધ સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ, તેમના પેરેન્ટને અથવા તે લોકોને જ થશે એવું નથી, પણ આનો લાભ આખો લાભ ગામ માટે પણ સારું થશે, રાષ્ટ્ર માટે પણ સારું થશે. કેમ કે આ જે પેઢી તૈયાર થશે આ ઘણી સંસ્કારી પેઢી હશે, તેમને ઘણું બધું મૂલ્યોની જાણકારી હશે અને આ મૂલ્યો અગર તેમને બધા લોકોમાં જો આપી દીધા તો ઘણું સારું જીવન બધાનું થઈ જશે. આવી રીતે તેમને અમે સમજાવ્યું. એટલે જ તે કહે છે, મેડમને અમે કીધું કે આવી રીતે તમે જો મૂલ્ય શિક્ષણ આપશો તો આ બધા સ્ટુડન્ટ એકદમ આગળ વધશે અને આપણા રાષ્ટ્ર કાર્યમાં આ તમારું ઘણું મોટું યોગદાન હશે. આવી રીતે આ તેમને અમને સમજાયું. આની વાત ખરી છે, બધા ચોપડાઓ જ્યારે અમે જોયા તો તેમાં આ બધું જે લખેલું છે તેનાથી આપણે સારા સંસ્કાર છોકરાઓને આપી શકે છે. હું ઘણા બધો આભારી છું કે પ્રીતિ મેડમ જેવા મેડમ અમને મળ્યા અને તેમને અહીંયા લાવવાની કોશિશ આ મનજીતજી ચાંડોક મેડમને કર્યું. એ લીધે અમે આ લાયન્સ ક્લબ બોરડીમાંનો ક્લબ તથા લાયન્સ ક્લબ ડિસ્ટ્રિક્ટ જે 3231A3 કરીને ગણાય છે, આ બધા લાયનોનો આભાર માનું છું કે તેમને આ બધી સગવડ ફ્રી ઓફ કોસ્ટ અમારે લીધે કરી આપી. દર વર્ષે અમારા અહીંયા એક ચંદ્રશેખર ઘાત કરીને લાયન આવતા હતા ને દર વખતે અમારા અહીંયા છોકરાઓને બુક આપીને તેમને સમજાવતા હતા. 2010માં હવે એક પ્રોગ્રામ થઈ ગયેલો, તેમાં ઘણા બધા શિક્ષકોને ટ્રેનિંગ પણ અપાવી ગયેલું હતું તેમના એમાં. તે જ કાર્ય આગળ ચાંડોક મેડમને ચાલુ કરેલું છે, એના લીધે હું બધાનો આભારી છું. થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ મેડમ.
Thank you, Ji. And now I request Ritu ma'am from Gandhi section to give her feedback.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm the head in charge of Gandhi Section Bhavan Primary School, and I would like to thank Manjeet ji and Lions Quest for giving us this amazing workshop training. The basic skill of listening, which is very important during and throughout, is learned, and many more such skills. Thank you, Manjeet ma'am, for giving us such opportunity. And Niti ma'am, who has trained me as well as our teachers. Our teachers has really enjoyed throughout this training. So we all thank you and the Lions Quest for giving us such a beautiful opportunity. Thank you once again, Manjeet ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thanks, ma'am, Ritu ma'am. I'm thankful to all the people who have given their feedback. And you all are giving me a good support from your school. All the teachers attended, and I hope you all are going to implement as you are promising in your feedback also. So I will be coming to you very soon to meet you in the schools. Thank you very much, all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so thank you everyone again for sharing your time, and any couple of words which you would like to share about us.
Yeah, Rajesh, I'm also fortunate to have you with me, and I'm really thankful to your service journals, which is an initiative by the Lions Club of Malvani, and you, Alexander and Rajesh, you are the big supporters behind this cause, and you approached me. I'm also very fortunate that I'm getting a chance to be with you, and I think it's not only our district will be watching that, you will be getting all a service of the people who are doing the projects, and the full world will be coming to know that what we are doing. So we are doing a lot of projects and a lot of things. So when some appreciation we get, so we are more motivated, Rajesh. So I think this is a boost to me. I may start working more for your next meeting, so that I have some lot of masalas for my new plans with you. I can share with you the next time you approach me. Thank you a lot, Alexander and Rajesh ji.
So I think viewers, you have just heard it from I would say the mecca of all of education, who has been an ex-teacher, who has been telling more about the Lions Quest, and who's been like an ambassador, nothing less than of an ambassador. So telling you more about the service journal now, I would just like to say that this website, all the videos will be posted there, and I think this would be the 12th video. The 12th video interview, which will be on Service Journal, our YouTube channel, is also there. And the recent website, that is servicejournal.org, wherein all the clubs, it's not only limited to any NGO, whether you are associated with Lions, Rotary, Maheshwari Pragati Mandal, any, Cry India, anywhere. So you can actually list all your projects over there for free. Imagine kya hota hai ki, like, we have got so many projects which the clubs do, but the world does not know it. But today in Service Journal, we have Lions Club of Hungary who is doing a project, and this has been featured there. So obviously, whether you can support remotely, so the platform is live, it's free. If we have any articles which is there, like I think Leo Club of Tarapur had done a very fantastic project, and that's why we have featured it over there. And so the projects is one thing, and the featuring of these projects is another thing. And so that's the reason why, if you just see that the video feature is a very big feature, and also thanks to our supporting partners. So if you just go onto the website, you will actually have a huge list of supporting partners who actually support our initiative. This is Rajesh Salian from Service Journal signing off. Thank you, and a very big thank to the backbone of someone who's behind the scene over here, that is Lion Alexander Gounder, who is the biggest brainchild of Service Journal. Thank you, Alex, and thank you all the viewers. Thank you. Bye-bye.